Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Introduction to Django Templates. Django templates are HTML files augmented with Django's template language. They facilitate the creation of dynamic web pages by embedding Python code within the HTML structure. Through templates, programmers can incorporate variables, filters, tags, and template inheritance to enhance the functionality and appearance of web applications. For example, a Django template can display data from a database by using variables within the HTML, apply filters to format the data appropriately, and utilize template inheritance to reuse code sections across different pages, streamlining development and maintenance processes. Variables in templates serve as placeholders that are replaced by actual values during rendering. Filters, on the other hand, are used to modify the output of variables in the template. For instance, in a Python web application, within the template.html file, a variable named name can be displayed with the title case using the title filter applied to it. In the corresponding views.py file, a context containing the value for name, e.g. John, is provided when rendering the template. This results in the displayed output of Hello John on the web page. Tags in template engines enable the execution of control structures and loops, along with the inclusion of other templates within a parent template. On the other hand, template inheritance allows child templates to inherit from a base template, enabling consistency and reusability across multiple pages. For example, in Python Django templates, you can create a base template, base.html, with defined blocks for title and content. Then, a child template, child.html, can extend the base template, overriding the title block with specific content and providing unique content within the content block. This way, the child template inherits the structure of the base template while customizing specific sections as needed. In a Django blog website, Django templates are used to display posts by utilizing variables to render the post title, author, and content. Filters play a crucial role in the presentation by formatting dates or truncating lengthy content. For instance, the date filter can convert a raw date into a more readable form like January 1st, 2022. Additionally, the slice filter can be employed to trim overly lengthy content, ensuring a concise display. Moreover, tags are leveraged to incorporate conditional logic for showing comments or related posts. Through conditional tags like senIf, sent, senEl sent, sentEndIf sent, specific sections can be dynamically displayed based on certain criteria. For instance, the if post.commentSent tag can be utilized to only display the comments section if there are existing comments for a particular post. Effectively utilizing variables, filters, and tags in Django templates is essential for creating a dynamic and user-friendly blog interface, enhancing the overall user experience and engagement. In cooking, a recipe serves as a template for creating a dish. Just like how Django templates allow us to create consistent visual representations for our web pages. When making a cake, the recipe tells us to mix certain ingredients in a specific order to achieve the desired outcome. Similarly, Django templates provide us with the structure and syntax to display information in a specific way on our website. Following a recipe helps ensure that our cake turns out delicious and visually appealing. Likewise, using Django templates helps us create visually appealing and consistent web pages for our users to interact with. If we deviate from the recipe while baking a cake, the end result may not turn out as expected. Similarly, if we don't follow the syntax and structure of Django templates, our web pages may not display the information correctly for users. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website, across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet provided demonstrates the concept of using Django templates in a Django web application. In the views.py file, a Django view function booksList is defined, which fetches a list of books, each represented as a dictionary with title and author keys, and passes this data to a Django template named bookslist.html using the render function. The bookslist.html template file contains HTML content along with Django template tags. In this template, a loop is utilized using cent for cent and cent n for cent tags to iterate over the books list passed from the view. For each book in the list, the template dynamically generates HTML content displaying the book's title and author. When the Django server is run and the books list view is accessed, the template is rendered with the list of books displayed on the web page in the specified format. Django templates provide a powerful way to separate the presentation logic from the business logic in Django applications. By using templates, developers can maintain cleaner code, promote reusability, and ensure a consistent user interface across the web application. Real-world applications of Django templates include generating dynamic content on e-commerce websites, where product listings are displayed, creating personalized user profiles that showcase user information, and rendering blog posts with details like titles, authors, and publication dates in a structured format. One industrial application where Django templates are commonly used is in e-commerce websites. In an e-commerce platform, product listings, descriptions, prices, and images are structured and displayed in a consistent manner using Django templates. This ensures that the user experience remains uniform across different pages, categories, and products, providing a seamless shopping experience for customers. Another real-world application of Django templates is in content management systems, CMS. Websites that frequently update their content, such as news websites or blogs, leverage Django templates to create templates for displaying articles, blog posts, images, and other media elements. By using Django templates, CMS platforms can easily modify the layout and design of their content pages without altering the underlying logic, making it efficient to manage and update website content. In conclusion, Django templates play a crucial role in structuring and presenting information in a visually appealing and consistent manner across various web applications, from e-commerce platforms to content management systems, ensuring a smooth user experience globally. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.